one of its biggest skilling bets in India. The American technology giant has announced a partnership with the Uttar Pradesh State Skill Development Mission, or UPSDM, to train 300,000 students and working professionals across the state in AI, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and data science by 2029. The initiative aims to improve employability, support career growth, and help build a future-ready workforce for an increasingly digital economy. The program will be delivered in collaboration with the Uttar Pradesh State Skill Development Mission, which will leverage its statewide skilling infrastructure. Now, with one of the largest youth populations in the country, the program will provide more than 300 hours of structured training. Dr. Hariom, Principal Secretary of the Vocational Education, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Department, said the collaboration reflects the state's commitment to enhancing employability at scale while strengthening Uttar Pradesh's long-term talent pipeline and economic growth prospects. The curriculum will cover some of Oracle's most widely used enterprise technologies, which actually include Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI, OCI Enterprise AI, OCI Data Science, Oracle Apex, OCI DevOps, and Oracle Security. Now, the focus is actually on equipping learners with industry-relevant skills that are increasingly in demand as organizations expand investments in AI, cloud infrastructure, and cybersecurity. The entire program will be offered free of cost through Oracle MyLearn, which is wonderful. Now, Oracle University's digital learning and enablement platform, Oracle MyLearn, is already used by millions of learners globally and provides both foundational and advanced pathways. The participants will have access to professional certifications, specialized learning tracks, and digital badges that can be used to demonstrate job readiness and technical expertise. So it's like a full circle. Now, the initiative is designed not only to teach skills, but also to help employers identify qualified candidates for emerging technology roles. Oracle says the initiative is part of its broader commitment to supporting India's ambition of becoming a global hub for AI and digital innovation. Shailendra Kumar, the Senior Vice President and Regional Managing Director, Oracle India and NetSuite JPAC, said the collaboration combines Oracle's technology expertise with Uttar Pradesh's training ecosystem to help learners acquire in-demand digital skills, enhance employability, and contribute to the state's long-term economic development. Now, according to UPSDM Mission Director Pulkit Khare, the partnership will make these industry-relevant digital skills training available at an unprecedented scale across the entire state of Uttar Pradesh. The initiative comes at a time when governments and technology companies worldwide are racing to address growing shortages of digital talent. The company says more than 20 million hours of Oracle University learning content have been consumed globally. It also has helped train and certify more than 3.1 million Oracle certified professionals across the global workforce, including, by the way, India. Now, Uttar Pradesh is set to become one of the largest beneficiaries of that very ecosystem. And here, of course, is the front page take. In the age of artificial intelligence, access to skilled people may prove just as important as access to computing power. And I agree with that. And of course, with 300,000 learners who are set to be trained over the next few years, Uttar Pradesh is making a major bet on becoming part of that very future. The question I would like to ask you is this: as AI transforms industries around the world, could large-scale skilling programs like this actually become India's biggest advantage in the global talent race? Please do let us know. What are your thoughts in the comments below? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think IIM.